So ahead is the entrance to the loch I was camping. Landed in Loch Mary. Still haven't quite finished breakfast. So the plan is to cross over to Harris. Sure what a good light is on. It was looking lovely earlier, but it's dulled over again. So just had a bit of food there, and that helped a lot. I came round that point before I landed. This bit of coast looked just particularly daunting. That's got nothing to do with the coast. Everything to do with me just being that bit hungry and trying to be positive again. So in a cave, it's very sheltered here. Nice to get out of that. So it's Monday, the 11th, and the plan is to make a quick dash around to what I hope is a campsite. It's only really a few kilometres away, getting past that last headland that's exposed to the south wind. So trip meter is at 244.3 to date. So it's actually a little bit more benign than I had feared it might be so far, but I'm going to speak to myself.